Welcome to Let's Get Talking Mental Health. This is part 2 of the addiction and mental health journey. Before I start, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to everybody that's followed us and supported us and commented. It's been overwhelming. It's so nice to know that my voice is getting out there. So thank you so much again. As I have explained before, a lot of the things that I write about are from personal experience. They're not just Googled and, typed up or things like that. For stats purposes, I'll Google them just to make sure they're correct, but the rest of my posts are normally from personal experience or from experiencing somebody else with their problems. Those with dependence have a huge amount of hypocrisy around them. I'll delve deeper into that later on in the video. Addiction starts with your mental health. An addict doesn't just become an addict. An addict has to be escaping something or trying to, numb something for them to turn to addiction. With any form of addiction, it gives that person the feeling of being in control, even if it's just for a short amount of time. For the very small amount of time that addicts get from taking a substance or doing something like gambling or whatever, it gives them the sense of being in control. But they don't realise the consequences that they have afterwards is 10 times worse. Every type of addiction pretty much has the same effect or the same outcome. You can get yourself into some serious debt, become homeless, lose your job, friends, family. The list is endless. Why is it that some people are more forgiving about certain types of addiction, but not with others? Why do people treat people with dependency on, say, painkillers or alcohol very differently to those that are suffering with a gambling addiction? If that's not hurting you directly, what's the difference? Out of everybody that I've spoken to on dependency, this is the main thing that bothers them. They can do anything to themselves, hurt themselves, never hurt anybody else, never involve anybody else. Yet, Chinese whispers going round and round like gossip is the one thing that actually triggers them. You don't even need to be affected by addiction. You can know somebody that's affected by addiction and you pass judgment. But you pass judgment based on what other people have said, not from the addict themselves. You haven't seen them do anything. Get yourself into some serious debt.